A health and water crisis looms in several St. Catherine communities served by the Rio Cobre. The river is among 4 waterways affected by the overflow of effluent from Windalco's Yuatan alumina plant. The company says it's moving to correct the problem, but the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation's Health and Sanitation Committee has concerns. The details in this report.
Where crystal clear water once flowed, now resembles a mud bath, except that it's not mud, but effluent. It's coming from the Windalco Yuatan plant. Several waterways have been impacted, including the Rio Cobre. The inflow streams to the National Water Commission's Spanish Town treatment plant. Operations there have since been suspended because of the water's high alkaline content. As a result, several communities in Spanish Town are without water. The matter was discussed Thursday during the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation's Health and Sanitation Committee meeting. Councillor for the Treadways Division, Sidney Rose, is the Commission's chairman.
Our main concern is as it relates to the residents of the parish who do not access water from the National Water Commission or the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation system. There are residents who use this water for domestic purposes.
As we drove through sections of Spanish Town, proof to support the chairman's claim. Residents not only walking in the contaminated water, but also preparing to fish.
Contents or the elements to which are in this water is harmful to human health. And I think we should move apace, or we should hasten to inform the residents of a serious health problem as it relates to the contamination of this water.
Mr. Rose also expressed concern about water trucks extracting water from the Rio Cobre, which is then sold to unsuspecting residents. In a release, Windalco noted that continuous rainfall on Sunday resulted in the overflow of trade effluent from its holding pond. The release further read that waterways in the vicinity of Vanity Fair, Chalamont and Footbridge were affected. Steps the release outlined have been taken to curtail the outflow, which has stopped. Windalco has since apologized for the inconvenience, but for the Health and Sanitation Committee, the apology is not enough.
And I think some serious action needs to be taken by the National Environmental and Planning Agency, NEPA, and also the St. Catherine Health Department. It cannot continue to happen. It is happening too often.
Meanwhile, the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says a team from the agency visited the area Wednesday to assess the entire river course. According to NEPA, the team did not observe any visible environmental impact from the release of the effluent into the waterways. Janella Precious, TVJ News.